Hi guys, welcome to this Python course for beginners. And in this section, I'm going to be showing us how we can set up our environment for the Python course. So I'll be downloading and installing Python and PyCharm. PyCharm is the IDE that I prefer. So I'll just show us a quick way to go around it, and this is going to be very, very short. So here, I'll just type Python download. So here I'll go to the official page website for Python, and we can easily yep. So we can easily install Python from here. The latest version as at now is Python 3.12.0. So once you click on it, you can actually install it. And once you install it, make sure that you add to path. So during the installation process, make sure that you check out for the option that says add to path and check that box. Okay, we can also make use of different IDs depending on us and how we can set it up. But here I prefer PyCharm because of the IntelliSense and so many other things, debugging activities that you can use it for. So I prefer PyCharm a lot. So, and we can go to PyCharm, and we also go to the official page and okay. Yep. So once we are here, let's make sure that we download the community version. So not the professional. We don't want the professional version. We want the community version. So we would check that out, and here we can see this is for the professional. I think I should be able. Yeah, we now have the community version. So here we will need to download the community version. So that is what we will need to download right there. Okay, guys. So moving on, when we download it, let's just make sure that we install it, follow the installation process. And once we are done with that, we'll be ready to start up with our project in PyCharm. So guys, let's get right into it.
Please subscribe, like, and also hit the notification bell. Let's get started. I see you in the next video.